This is really random. Don't recall that tree being fallen, but we haven't had any strong winds recently. Anyway, random. Anyway, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So, we're back at Holme Fen again. See people rolling their eyes already, but there's a reason why I'm back down here. So, obviously, been down here and done some foggy woodland work. Came down here and I've done macro work on a couple of occasions. Obviously did the macro mushroom work, but this time we're here to do a bit of wildlife photography. Now, when I last came down here and did the foggy morning one, I was over in one area at Holme Fen and there was loads of birds. So I'm here to try and photograph some tits. No, you mucky-minded people, I mean things like blue tits and things like that. So, yeah, what I want to try and do is, at the moment you can see I'm in an area where it's quite full of tall trees, lots of silver birch and stuff. But what I want to have a look at is the area I was in last time. It's a bit more bushy with lower hanging branches, and there was a tip that I picked up from a YouTuber when I was watching some wildlife photography videos. I'd say this is a new journey for me, for those who've not seen the channel before. One of those was about getting eye level with the birds, and I'm like, seriously, I know I'm tall, but I'm not as tall as a tree, jeez. But when he started to explain it, it kind of makes sense. If you go for a more bushier area, you might be able to actually get more eye level. Rather than shooting up at the birds, get eye level with them. So that's what I'm going to try and do. So I'm heading back down to the area I was in before. I'm going to see if I can find any small birds. Man, photographing small birds is hard, I tell you. So, yeah, I found a load, but the problem is the area I was in was quite messy. Couldn't get any clean shots off, and when my camera was trying to focus, it kept focusing on random twigs and branches where the birds were. Yeah, the pros make it look really easy, but I tell you it's not. So I'm walking back to the car now after a total fail today. Shame as well, because that light's coming out really nicely. As I'm walking back to the car though, there seems to be more and more dog walkers as well, so there's a lot of barking and stuff going on, which really isn't helping the wildlife aspect of it, but it's quite a popular place, and as it's a Saturday as well, it doesn't surprise me that there's a lot of dog walkers out. Now, obviously, I've still got the camera out. But yeah, thing is as well, it's not through the lack of birds either. I saw quite a few down that bit. I think that's going to be a real hive of activity, but it was just couldn't capture them. I'd say total fail, total fail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign out. I will still stick this on YouTube as well, because I think it's quite nice to see that not every trip out is a success. Makes you wonder how many times the pros go out and film videos and don't actually post them on YouTube because they've had no luck. I doubt it. Those guys know exactly what they're looking for. As I say, this is all new to me. This is a new venture for me. I'm photographing me squirrels and stuff, and the red squirrels were so tame. That was all a doddle. Gigrum Farm was a setup basically. as majestic and beautiful as red kites are. It's the feeding station, so, you know, yeah, trying to actually do it in an uncontrolled environment, God, it's hard. But I will persevere. I've got no problems with sticking with this. I love being out and just listening to all the bird songs. So there was a lot that I recognised. Couldn't tell you what birds they were. A lot I recognised, and there was a lot that I didn't either. And I saw some beautiful birds. Unfortunately, I say, just within a bit too much overgrowth. So yeah, I'm going to sign out now anyway, because I'm going to head back. I've got stuff to do this afternoon as well, so kind of need to get cracking. But yeah, obviously, if you've liked this video of my failure, give us the old thumbs up. Drop some subscribes from down the bottom as well, because obviously there's more landscape photography, more wildlife photography and everything coming from this channel. And yeah, this is Mike out. Take care and be safe, everyone. Peace.